Launching an online casino. Success starts with a solid foundation. Treat your casino launch as a long-term investment. Profits depend on smart strategy and flawless operations. Rosloto ensures fast start and no costly mistakes. Let's look at the main characteristics of a profitable platform. An extensive game portfolio is a must. It boosts engagement and session time, offers slots, live dealers, crash games, and table classics. Diversify your portfolio to cover all player types. Games from big names increase gamblers' trust instantly. Top content brings higher average deposits. Rosloto grants access to over 5,000 certified games. Quality portfolio means higher retention rate. Invest in top-tier slot content early. Next important thing, support at least 6 payment methods. Fast payouts improve loyalty by up to 25%. Prioritize payout speed in your casino. A gaming license is essential for global expansion. Curacao or MGA license equals credibility. Rosloto makes licensing simple and affordable. Compliance ensures long-term profit stability. Operating legally increases player trust dramatically. No license? Expect fines, bans, and shutdowns. Never launch without proper licensing. PPC ads provide instant spikes in traffic and deposits. Set up Google Ads and Facebook ads day one. Affiliate partnerships can drive 50% of your total revenue. Rosloto platforms are affiliate-ready, scaling you faster. Affiliate tech equals lower acquisition cost. Retention is more profitable than acquisition. VIP players have 3 times higher lifetime value. Launch a VIP loyalty program early. 24/7 multilingual support boosts loyalty by up to 40%. Support players in their native language. Most clients come from mobile devices. Design mobile first, not desktop first. Careful RTP management protects your profit margins. Most successful platforms operate at 95% to 97% RTP. Test RTP values quarterly. Risk management is critical for long-term casino stability. Strong security equals higher brand trust. Prevent fraud before it happens. Protecting player data boosts player retention rates too. Advertise your security features openly. Follow these rules and your website will be profitable for sure. Don't waste time. Launch smarter with Rosloto. Visit our website to start your business journey today. Rosloto, your future starts now.